Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Seni YouTube channel. Today I'm going to doing my first video as the unboxing. Today I'm going to unboxing this portable Bluetooth speaker. Are you ready? Let's go into unboxing this portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay guys, this is the portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, we can see the speaker photograph and we can see the buttons when we can see the mini speaker, and this side we can see the speaker output power, working distance, frequency response, SNR and unit size of our speaker. And in this are the colors of some speakers. I bought this color, and let's unbox. Okay, I remove this and I'm open this box. Oh, this is the speaker. Okay, let's pull it up. Okay, so this is the charger of our speaker and the radio antenna of our speaker. This is mini USB port and this USB port. These two our speaker and these two our computer, laptop or charger, mobile phone charger. And this have a manual. This is the manual of our speaker. I think we didn't want it. Okay, let's check our speaker. Okay, got this. Oh, it's so beautiful, and I think this is the name of the speaker. And these are the buttons I told you before. This is the mode button, this is volume down and previous song button, this volume up and next song button, this is the pause and play button, and this is the awesome one, it's a subwoofer for our speaker. And these are the ports, and we can plug USB TF card, and this is the power button, this is our charging button, and this is our charging port and AUX port. Okay, and let's power to our speaker. Okay,
Bluetooth mode.
we can listen sound like that when we power on our speaker. We can see a light through our speaker, blue light, and let's listen song by using this speaker. And I'm using my pen drive for listening song. Okay,
Play by USB drive. FM mode.
Okay, this is FM mode and AUX mode and Bluetooth mode. Okay, if you want to listen FM we have to plug our charger to the speaker and scan by this button, and we can listen song by FM, or we can listen to the FM channel using this speaker. And that's all. Guys, do you enjoy my video? And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you guys in new video, and bye bye.